There's Anakin with Boss Baby Ika. This is just yours setup. It's May 31st, tomorrow's June 1st, 2022. We just put this up on Sunday morning. Yeah, and yesterday was Memorial Day.
Ow.
So Anakin's been enjoying it. Take your goggles. Go get the beach ball. Oh. Oh, it just swallows them? Anakin has a bad habit of doing that, it seems. Yeah, those are our diving sticks we've been playing with. Well, dive down and get one. No, I'm recording. Me and Anakin were in the bathroom, and then the power went out. So I'm hoping to hold the door open for him. Let's just see what it looks like with the door shut. It's pitch black in here. The power is literally out. And was right in the middle of using the restroom, and all of a sudden the power just went down.
No, see.
Can't see. There's a fan over there. Say goodnight. Step over it. No. Wait, don't get too close to him. Alright, go show it to him. Wait. You can take your finger off.
No.
Alright, you hold it. Hold this. I'll show him. Hey, bud. This is Anakin's.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. See you later, turtle. Alright, it's Audrey's 37th birthday. We're going to go kayaking. In Yulee, Florida. We're getting ready to go. There's Audrey with her life jacket on. There goes Audrey. There's Audrey. She's stuck.
I couldn't, like, my turning abilities are 0. Oh no, I'm gonna go back in the bushes.
Turn it. You gotta turn it.
I can't.
There you go. There you go.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to
I'm about to go under the bridge. There's Audrey. Alright, better catch up. Audrey's an expert now. Paddle. There goes Audrey in all her gracefulness. Long train. There's Audrey. Alright, so we got done kayaking. Did you like kayaking?
I'm good. Loved it.
And now we're at lunch at Cantina Louie's, Mexican street food. Sitting outside. Nice little view. We've been here once before. They got cornhole over there, and actually a little mini golf thing that you can play. But
Oh, those are like a la carte.
a la carte.
Yeah.
I still don't even know what that means.
On the side. Like
Oh.
individually.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
thank you.
So
Well,
Audrey got a birthday margarita.
it's delicious. Made with Patron. But because of that margarita, I can't finish my lunch.
Yeah, I finished mine.
Look.
I'm full as could be.
Ah, I got stuck in it. The orange keeps getting stuck in it.